So here we are back at our event calendar. And one of the things that we wanted to do here is show you how to go ahead and add some venue details here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come over here to our test event. And I'm going to come down here to venues and click on this. And as you see, we don't have any venues here right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and you see we've got all this information here. We can go ahead and add some venue information is what we can do. Quite a bit as a matter of fact. So we're going to go ahead and give this venue just Dubbox USA is what we're going to call it. It'll automatically go ahead and generate the slug so we don't have to worry about it. Now here's where we can go ahead and add a description of our venue. And then down here we can add an address, a state or a city. Oh, I'm sorry, that would be Oregon City. And a state province, a postcode, country. And if we have an address, we can go ahead and put an address in here, and it will go ahead and show us a little Google map. So let's just go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in a zip code right now. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a local zip code. We could also go ahead and use and put in latitude and longitude if we wanted to. The zoom is going to be how close the map is zoomed in. You should probably just leave it at the default. That's 13 is a pretty decent zoom. Text for info windows, which is going to be the info window that's going to go ahead and go on the map, and we'll just go ahead and put info window. Oh, sorry, W. And then down here we'd have a phone, an email address, here we have a place for the website, and you'll want to add in the full URL, which will be the http://. And then if I had an image, I could go ahead and give the URL to the image to go ahead and do that. And to do that, go ahead and you would want to come up here to media and click on add new media. And this will allow you to go ahead and select a file to upload, or if you already have one in the library, you can select library. And let's say I just want to use the Dubbox logo, and I'm going to come right over here to file URL. Click 3 times in that to select everything, come back over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste the URL, total URL to that image right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and click add venue. And then we will have this venue up here. We can come back over to our event, click on our test event, and then now over here you're going to see under venues we have Dubbox USA. I'm going to go ahead and click on Dubbox USA, click update. And now let's go out to the front and refresh our page. Now down here at the bottom, now you see we have all the information that we placed in for our venue, the address, the details of the venue, and we have a map. And if we had placed in the exact address that we had, it would go ahead and it would be showing the exact address. Right now it's just showing the middle of that zip code is all it's doing. But that is how you add a venue in here into Dubbox. Very easy if you want to, once you've got the venue in there, if you want to, sorry, let's go ahead and go back over to the venue. Venue, sorry. And if you want to delete that, you just go ahead and click delete. If you want to edit it, you just go ahead and click on edit, and that will allow you to come in here and then change all of this information. So anyway, in the next event, we're going to go ahead and talk about organizers.